Okay, real short prerequisites lesson. 3 things to check before you install OpenClaw, and 1 optional thing depending on your setup. Let us go. Number 1. Node.js. OpenClaw wants Node 24. It will run on Node 22.14 or higher if you are on the long-term support line, but 24 is recommended. Quick check. Run node-version on your command line. If you are on 22.14 or above, you are fine. If you are on 18 or anything earlier, upgrade first. Trust me. On macOS, the easy way is Homebrew. You run brew install node at 24. On Linux, your distribution package manager or the node source repository. On Windows, install node inside WSL2. Honestly, that is the smoother path. Do not bother with native Windows node unless you have a really specific reason. WSL2 avoids a whole class of permission problems we will talk about in lesson 5. Number 2. Port 18789. That is the default gateway port. If you have something else listening there, either stop it or pick a different port during setup. Quick check on Mac and Linux is run lsoft-i port 18789. On Windows, it is netstat-ano pipe to find string 18789. Number 3. A model provider key, just one to start. You need an account and an API key from at least one of the supported providers. Anthropic, OpenAI, Google, Mistral, DeepSeek. There is a long list. The wizard supports OAuth flows for OpenAI Codex and Anthropic, plus manual key entry, plus secret references for non-interactive setups. That is it for the must-haves. A few optional things to think about before we move on. If you want remote access to your gateway from a phone or laptop that is not on your home network, set up Tailscale ahead of time. The wizard has hooks for it. We cover safe exposure patterns in Module 17. If you want headless build nodes like a separate Linux box where the agent will run shell commands, prepare those machines now. We will connect them in Module 10, but none of that is required for the first install. Node, port, API key, that is the checklist. 3 boxes. Alright, that is prerequisites done. In the next lesson, we run the installer. See you there.